Hello, this is Ron with Auto Sales Unlimited, and today we have a 2005 Honda Civic available right now here at Auto Sales Unlimited. I'm going to do a walk around and startup of this vehicle. This is an automatic transmission car. It's a 2005. Red. Overall, it's in good condition. There's a couple of nicks here and there. It's from the mid-2000s. These cars are incredible because they're easy to operate, easy to maintain, and parts are not really that expensive. I'll start right here. Seats look in nice condition. Automatic transmission. All the dash looks really good. Door cards. This is a window crank car. This is not power windows. A little bit of a base model, but nothing wrong with that. The back here. Got weird hit right up top here. Like, I don't know, it's a very strange place to get body damage, but it's right there on top of the deck lid, like something fell on it. Other than that, it looks really good. Door cards look good. Seat looks really nice. Door cards. The driver's seat looks really good. I don't know, whatever Honda does, they have just such durable interiors when it comes to their cloth. Doesn't matter what condition the vehicle is in, the seats are always nice. Every single one. I could be sitting in a junkyard and it's gonna have nice seats, just the way it is. In here, it's pretty stock. Your climate control, CD player, it's all stock. A lot of people mod these things out, and this one is pretty stock. All right, we got 209,048 miles. Got an airbag light on. Not sure what that's all about, but it fires right up. It sounds like a Honda. It runs like a Honda. So this is Rob with Auto Sales Unlimited. Come check this vehicle out. Ron's drives really nice. We offer everything from bank financing to in-house financing. No matter what, we can find a lending solution for you. Give us a call, 360-273-0711, or you can contact us through our comments down below, and I'll go ahead and respond. So, okay, thanks for watching. And like I said, if you have any questions, go ahead and reach out. Have a good day.